So when it comes to resisting disease, what we're talking about is keeping these channels of our energy anatomy clean. And if that has to be done, then there has to be a mechanism as simple and commonsensical as having a bath. Now, 4,000-5,000 years ago, when meditators in the Orient discovered that they had these channels, and they discovered it purely by meditating within themselves. That's where their inner power was so strong. They discovered that you could follow the breath through the meditative process and then see how that transfers or alchemizes itself into your energy, and that's called Qi in Chinese. It's called Qi in Japanese, Prana in Sanskrit. Now, this Qi, when you work with it, is something, the Chinese word is called Qigong. So that's something that helps you cultivate that energy and use that for your betterment, for your strengthening of systems and for your development of immunity. So when you're talking about an internal bath, you're talking about a Qigong practice. And it could be really powerful because it's as powerful as an external bath is to keeping the visible germs away. Well, that's why we brush our teeth, that's why we have a bath, that's why we have all these advertisements with these animations of all the germs, so that we get a visual idea that, all right, there is contamination. But what about the energetic contamination, the one that we can't see? That's the contamination that's so subtle that it goes into you, and you really don't know what to do about it unless you have been practicing Qigong. So how do we build our immunity using Qigong? Let me tell you about that.